Hello kids, welcome to your GA class. Children, I hope you all are fine at home. So children, today let's learn something new, okay? Today I have something interesting for you. Today we will learn about animals. Yes, you know, animals are also living beings like us, okay? So, cat, dog, lion, tiger, elephant, these are animals, right? I hope you all love to see animals, right? I also love to see animals. So, children, why don't we together visit all the animals today? Okay? But before that, let me tell you one thing. You know, animals are divided in different groups. Some are wild animals, some are domestic animals, and some are pet animals. Okay, but we will study about all these animals in detail in my next video. Okay, but today in this video we will see all the animals in general. Okay, so let's go and visit them. Come on. So today our topic is animal world. So let's begin. Animals are also living beings like us. They also eat, move, play, and some of the animals also give birth to babies like the human beings. We are all animals. Even human beings are animals. Each animal is different in its shape, size and color. Few animals have 2 legs and few animals have 4 legs. Animals also have the 5 sense organs like the human beings. See, they have eyes, nose, tongue, skin and ears. Most of the animals can move about freely like the humans. Some animals they eat plants and some animals eat other small animals. In this world there are many animals. See, this is a dog and this is a cat. They are pet animals. They are called mammals. Mammals are those animals who give birth to babies. See, these are also mammals. This is zebra and this is elephant. They also give birth to babies and the baby feed on their mother's milk. So, children, now let's visit some more animals. Look, who's this? Yes, this is a lion. It is a wild animal. It lives in the jungle. You know, lion is known as the king of the jungle. Look, this is a tiger. It is also a wild animal and lives in the jungle. Look, this is cheetah. Cheetah also lives in the jungle and is a wild animal. This is a bear. Bear also lives in the jungle. It is a wild animal. Look, who's this? Yes, this is a zebra. Zebra also lives in the jungle. It is a wild animal. Look, these are giraffes. Giraffes are also wild animals and they live in the jungle. You know, giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Look, this is a sheep. They are found in the jungles, especially near the mountain areas. See, this is a fox. Fox is also found in the jungle. It is a wild animal. C. This is a monkey. Monkey also lives in the jungle. They have a very long tail. They are usually found on the trees of the forest. C. This is a camel. Camels are found in the desert areas. C. This is a rabbit. Rabbit is a small animal. They are usually kept as pet animals in the house. Look, this is a horse. You know, horse can run very fast. See, this is a cow. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow gives us milk. See, this is a goat. Goat is a pet animal. They eat grasses and leaves. See, this is a hen. Hen is also a domestic animal. Hen gives us egg. Look, this is a donkey. See, this is a bull. They have two powerful horns. They are found in our surrounding areas. Now children, let's see some birds. You know, birds are also animals. They have feathers on their body. Birds have wings which help them to fly. See, this is a crow. It is a bird. I hope you all have seen crow near your house, right? See, this is an eagle. Eagle flies very high in the sky. See, this is a sparrow. Sparrows are usually found in the gardens near a house. See, this is a parrot. We keep parrot as pet animals in our house. You know, parrots tries to talk like human beings. See, this is a pigeon. It is also a pet animal. Look at these animals. These are sea animals. These animals always live in water. They can swim in water. Let's go and meet some of them. This is a fish. Fish swim in water. This is a seahorse. Seahorse is also a sea animal and it lives in water. This is a starfish. It is a sea animal and it lives in water. See, this is an octopus. It also lives in water. Now let's go and meet some animals who are found both on land and also in water. See, this is a frog. Frog is found both on land and also in water. See, this is a tortoise. Tortoise is also found both on land and also in water. See, this is a snake. Snakes have no legs. They are long elongated animals. They are found both on land and water. This is a crocodile. Crocodile are also found on land and also in water. Now let's go and meet some of the insects. You know, insects are very small animals. They have wings to fly. See, this is a butterfly. It is an insect. This is a bee. We get honey from bees. This is a grasshopper. It is green in color and is found in grasses and plants. See, this is a mosquito. Mosquitoes are frequently found around our houses. See, this is an ant. Ants are usually found in mud. This is a housefly. It is a very common insect found in and around homes. I hope you enjoyed today's topic, the animal world. right? Today we saw so many animals. So, children, don't harm the animals in any way. Okay? Always protect them and don't hurt animals because they are also living beings like us and they also need love and care. So that's all for the day. Bye bye, children. We will meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.